Hi everyone, I'm Nico here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today we're going to talk about Blaze Alumina TIG welding cups. The Alumina cup sizes vary from 12 to 24. All Blaze TIG cups feature a triple screen diffuser system, which allows for superior laminar gas flow. Allow me to demonstrate how to set up a Blaze TIG cup. I'm not going to need this anymore. Every kit comes with everything you need. First, let's start with our insulator. We'll then throw our collet in our gas lens. Finally, the cup itself. Now we're all ready to TIG weld. The benefits to the Alumina TIG cup are improved heat resistance, excellent electrical insulation, as well as thermal conductivity. And now, let's test it out. If you'd like to learn more about these Alumina TIG welding cups, visit twusa.com.